What's up, dudes? It's Thursday night in Minnetonka, and we're gonna go make a video, a nice fishing video. So I'll keep you updated on what's happening. We're going to a new spot on the lake. Gonna try to bang some crappies, maybe a walleye. Just got like 6 to 8 inches of snow, so we're not exactly sure how it's gonna go. And I'm not exactly sure if I'll get my SUV across the lake. But I'm gonna take some video and hopefully we'll have some fish for you. Let's go. All right, let's go. Let's do this. Let's go! We got this. Ooh, don't turn on me, baby. Go, 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 go. Woo! We got this all day. Let's go! Whippy. Big tracks, big tracks, big tracks.
Fucking embarrassing.
Well, we'll give you a little update. We're starting to catch them. Got a little guy. Let him go, let him grow. All right, way to go.
Got one.
That's big, dude. His head's shaking like crazy.
Fuck, that was a long run, dude.
Oh, fuck. Come on, baby. Ooh, ooh, he's big. Can't get him up the hole. Come on up, come on. Sir, I did it!
Fuck yeah, dude.
I got the fucking
Turn your light
intel.
off.
I got the intel. What did I tell you, 10
Turn
feet?
your light off.
Oh my God, Justin. I'm shaking. We got the intel, it worked.
It's a nice fish, dude. Does he have a growth on his cheek?
No.
Other side?
Yeah.
Huh.
Oh, fuck here. Oh, he swallowed that thing, dude. I gotta get this fucker back down. Should we get the